Hey guys, it's Zoria Vivian here again. Welcome back to my channel, guys. How you all doing? You guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video I just want to carry you guys along with me. It's evening here, guys, and outside is so cold. It's -1 today. Oh my god, yesterday was -2 and today is -1. Everywhere is so cold. I did not even bring out the babies today. We didn't go out today. We need to go to school today. We are just inside. Only Obi went to work because the weather is too cold. Yesterday we went out, and when we came back in, they started having catarrh and cough. So that's why we decided to leave the kids at home today. And it's evening here. I want to carry you guys along. I'm about to start preparing dinner now. Obi will still come back from work, so I want to prepare dinner before he comes back. Maybe even before I finish preparing the dinner, he will come back. So he does not joke with his dinner. He might joke with breakfast or any other food, but dinner, no. So I just want to quickly start preparing something. I will be making noodles for us this evening. We build this castle. I don't know how many of you are going through this. I have a lot of knives in this house. So many knives. I don't know if it's in Nigeria. After using knife, when it's worn out, you can also go and sharp the knife. But here in Italy, I don't know. I've asked a lot of people. They tell me that they don't know where to sharp their knife. I don't know. I just keep buying and buying knife. Once this one runs out, I'll buy another one. Once the other one runs out, I'll buy another one. God, for this time or just this, when everything is high. Oh God, please go, if you're in Italy, if you know how to sharp knife, please let me know. Or anywhere you are, if you just know how to sharp knife, let me know. Because I don't know. I'm doing, sometimes I will do this market women size. I say I don't want to buy a knife again. I bought knives more than 6 times. Different type. I have a lot of knives. For some of them, I don't even know where I kept them again. Because I will just use annoyance to throw it somewhere. Sometimes I will do this market women style. Those women that sells the meat in Nigeria, in market in Nigeria. This one they will be like this. And sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. Because me, I like sharp knife when I'm cooking in the kitchen. But just I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just managing, because it was when I was cutting my beef that I brought out all these ones. I started with this one because it was just small beef. I started with this one, it was not working. And then I brought out this one, it was not working. I have to bring out this one again. And so we see. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if you have any idea or any info or any help you can render me, any idea at all. I will sharp my knife. Just let me know, please. But now when I fall and when I cry, who's there to pick me up? When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in, the roaring surface listen, the echoes lost again. It's someone that I always like to boil my egg with salt, but Obi does not like it. Anytime I boil egg, he's so afraid to eat my egg because he will say, I think you have added salt to it again. So this one I'm not going to add salt. Although I like it boiling mine with salt, but he does not like it, so I will cook it without salt. Guys, baby is crying, so I just have to attend to her first before I continue what I'm doing. Guys, you see this girl? She just wants to play. She does not want to suck. She was just looking at the camera and smiling. She just wants to carry her like this, or sit down and carry her. That's what she just wants. And that's not possible. I just have to put her back on her seat, because if the father comes back and food is not ready, the hair not go fine. So I just have to do what I have to do.
But now when I fall and when I cry, who's there to pick me up? When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in, the roaring surface listening.
Let me know in the comment section. How do you prepare your noodles? Do you like it? Just put the whole like this, whole of it, or yeah, let me put that one. Just put the whole indomie inside. I know they like it. I always like to eat my spaghetti. I always like to break it. So let me know in the comment section if you like it. Break it up or if you just eat it like that. See what I'm going through. This girl does not want to stay on her seat. She just wants me to carry her, and I'm cooking. Huh? I think I just have to put her on my back. And I'm wearing ghetto. Ghetto, guys. Wearing ghetto is not easy. Look at it. I wanted to die. Me. I could not even breathe well again. I had to remove the belt. Look at it. I'm wearing it now without the belt. Without belt is what I'm wearing now. Because what happened is that the belt, the waist trainer is so good, but the only mistake I made was I didn't buy my actual size. I bought a smaller size. I don't know why. Because I didn't know how big it was. I bought L, hoping that L would be a perfect size for me. But I didn't know that it would not size me. You know, I've turned horrible. I was weighing 65 before I gave birth to Winnie, and now I'm weighing 85. Can you imagine that, guys? So because of the drugs that the doctor gave me after having Winnie, all those their pills, before you know it, I started blowing like. It was so easy for me to get fat, but for me to reduce now is something else. Although after breastfeeding, I'm going to concentrate more on that. So the belt now, if I wear the waist trainer with the belt, it will be so tight. See it? So I'm wearing it now without belt. See, the belt is so good. It really snatched me, but with the belt, oh God, it snatched me. But I was not comfortable because it was so tight for me. So with this belt, I have to take off this waist trainer and then put her on my back. Now, if not, she will not allow me to cook this food.
We build this castle of sand. We hear the rush in the wind. Yeah, we were closer than friends. I hope that we could withstand. But now when I fall and when I cry, who's there to pick me up? When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in, the roaring surface listening, echoes lost again. Is someone out there listening? 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 there to pick me up when all of my tears are running dry. Who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in, the roaring surf is listening, comes lost again. Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening?
So guys, as I was cooking, Obi came back from work and he bought some things. So these are the things he got from work. This is turkey. He also got some salad. Me, I don't like this salad. He's the one that is eating all this one. And then some beans. He also got some beans. 3 of this. And 3 of this. So these are the things he got. Salad. Guys, you won't believe that I bought this lemon yesterday. I want to use it to make a book for my husband. And yesterday till now, just a day interval, and almost more than 4 of it has already got gotten rotten. Look at it, guys. For this era when we just did so, that everything is so expensive. I think we do get this thing before for €2 and some cents. Now it's €3 some cents, and 4 is already spoiled, or 5 inside is already bad. Just imagine. It is well, God help us. And I also got this what's it called, smoothie maker. Probably saw the advert on Facebook, and then it was on offer. We placed an order. The day it came, I tested it and it was working. Then the day I said let me use it, I put everything inside and the thing didn't work again. Just imagine, it didn't work again. After putting the fruit inside, so let me blend, the thing stopped. It didn't work. That's why I like to do my shopping on Amazon. People will say, hey, it's because your husband is working there. No, it's not because he's working there. I prefer Amazon. If it's Amazon, you will not get any comma. So I always like to do my shopping in Amazon. This one now, I don't know what to do because I don't even know how to locate them. There's no phone number, nothing, because it was on Facebook. You see, that's why I don't like buying things from all those Facebook guys. So guys, my food is ready. Obi is already eating. He could not wait for me to finish filming. He said I should give him his food. So guys, I'm done cooking. Obi is already eating his food. I'm about to eat mine now. So this is going to be the end of the video for today. If you stayed to this extent, you are super amazing. Thank you so much. I love you. I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to leave a beautiful comment for me in the comment section below. And then don't forget to share. If you are not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe. It's free, absolutely free. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.